Hey everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it's look like. It looks really beautiful. Let's try to create this. At first, we need to add a new slide. The new slide must be blank. We need to insert the shapes. The first one, we'll create this under 3 minutes and then hold Control to create copy of them. You see we here have some different in size, but I'm going to make them all same size. How? I'm going to make it until the mid, and then create a copy of that, and then go to here and align it middle. Now select all of them by Ctrl A, go to shape format and fragment. Now we have 4 shapes that done the work. Okay. After creating all of them, select all of them, go to shape format and set the shape outline to none. See we have a little white here. Let me just cover it. Select all 3 of them and go here to shadows and give them some down shadow. You see nothing is appeared, but we will see the effect after that. Then we need just to copy the text and paste it here. This is just a simple text. I use Overdrive Sunset as a font, and this shape format here, you can change it to whatever you want. For example, let's go with this, and just they are simple text. Let me just copy them fast. After copying the text, I just need to simply increase the text size. It's an easy work. Let's copy them. Okay, and this thing, this Apple thing, this icon, you can import it from here, icons, if you have internet. And then after importing that, you go to graphic formats and color it up. I'm going to use this color, I think. Let's go with that until now. Let me just change these colors. Let's go with the light till dark colors. I think it's better this way. And this is the end. This is the end. Okay. Like Adele said, this is the end. Okay. Now everything is created. We need to increase the size and decrease the size. Okay, now we need to copy that, but before copying we need to create order. For that we bring this to front and just send this to back, send this to back, send this to back. Now you see the shadow is created, the shadow we created in the first place, and looking very amazing. Let me just reduce it in size. Don't forget, when you reduce the size, hold Ctrl and Shift for the better effect. Now I just simply here going to select all 3 of them and go here and align them center and middle. You see, now bring this thing up and bring this thing top. Hold Ctrl and Shift and make it bigger. Now let's change the color to something I more like this blue, and then set the transition to morph. Let the magic happen. I hope you like the transition. If you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer.